Hi everyone. The necessary components for this application to run successfully on the server side are Apache, Tomcat server, and MySQL server. You can get the project from the GitHub repository. Going to code, source files. Once there, you're gonna see the PeopleMover folder and PPMWS folder. The PeopleMover folder is a front-end project. PPMWS is the backend project. Download both, deploy it on your server. The PeopleMover folder is gonna be located on the 3W folder or HTML folder from your Apache server. If you are going to continue developing for this project, just download the PPMWS with that purpose. But if you want to deploy the backend, just go back to code, exec lib files, and there is gonna be the ppmws war file, which is the one that is gonna be deployed on the Tomcat server. Also here you will find the Android application, which is the Cordova app debug APK. Also the ppmdb.sql, which is the file that you will need to deploy it on the your MySQL server. Now let's try to explain how to deploy some of these folders or files. Let's go to our project website. For the MySQL part, you can use either phpMyAdmin or Workbench. Both tools are really good. Once get there, you can just import it using the regular import tool that PHP use. Choose your file, look for that, and when you press go, it's gonna deploy the entire database in your system, which is gonna be similar to this one here, which is already deployed with all our tables, some of the information already inserted, like waypoints or stops. Before deploying the Word file, a thing that you need to know is well, the file inside has the information in the form of a property file to the email credentials, for the email credentials. So try to open the file with any compressor of your choice. Let's say WinRAR, and inside of the folder web-inf, go to classes, and there go to ppmws .properties. To open the file, I would recommend using No++, or in our case, WordPad. Let's try to open the file. At the bottom of the file, you will find the email credentials that you need to change, as the email username or the email password, and the email receiver. The email receiver is the one that is gonna receive all the feedback, the problems, the requests from the system, and also it's gonna be the administrator, which is the one that is allowed to define new alerts on the system. Save the information and you will be ready to upload the WAR file to the Tomcat server. To deploy the WAR file is pretty much similar to how to deploy the database file on phpMyAdmin. Is just go to your Tomcat website on your local server using the 8080 port or whatever port is set up. Go to the Manage Web App, scroll down, choose the file and the section that says WAR file to deploy. Choose your WAR file, hit deploy it, but always wait until reach the 100% loading, and you can check that was correctly loaded when you go here and the message says okay, or is there any error, it's gonna tell you which kind of error it is. And of course it's gonna be at the bottom, probably it's gonna be the last one, and you just gonna be it's a service that is already started. Once you have download the PeopleMover front-end folder, go to the SeniorProject website and download it. After downloading SeniorProject from the website, place that folder inside the HTML folder on your LAMP server. In this case, WAMP var3w HTML. It has all the necessary information like resources or libraries that your application will need. So go to your application and copy it inside. Now go to your root URL, PeopleMover, and you will enjoy the functionalities of the app.